Yep. Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. CarryOnUSA.com goes to the carry-on. We have a video coming out about these two. It's going to be a comparison video. When this thing first came out, this is the new GoGo Super Portable. I liked it, but didn't like it. One thing I definitely don't like is this tiller up and down. Now, it will supposedly loosen up, but it is very stiff. I did a tiny loose here. I don't really suggest it too much. Don't put your weight on this. The other thing is there's not much of a bag, and you know, it's kind of hard to get this thing through, but if you are traveling, if you set it up like we have it, where it's just loops over here, it makes it very fast to come off. You just take it right here, and on the other side, just put it right on. So you just kind of set the Velcro a little bit different for just your traveling, and then when you get where you're going, if you want to make it proper, come through these little hooks, you can do that. So it's a little travel bag. You will have to remove this to go through TSA. The other thing I'm not very happy about is the travel range, but they do have a long distance battery coming out, but it will not be TSA approved. There are arms you can get with this, and it does come in a different color. Now, the big kicker to it that I don't like, that I like about the carry-on is, first of all, you get a little bit nicer basket, better travel range, and you have a kickstand that allows this to stand up. This has it too, but you can actually roll this like a suitcase, and you just couldn't do that with this. Like, watch this. We'll fold this down. This needs to be all the way down to fold it proper. And then you could take this, loosen it, bring it down. Now, you could stand this straight up, but you can't roll it. You'd have to put the wheels in free wheel, but it just still doesn't roll proper. So we came up with the rolling that we're making currently to go on all of the super portable units that we're shipping out, and you're only going to be able to get this scooter to roll if you buy it from us. So if you want the super portable and you want to be able to roll it like this, give us a call at 803-926-2224. We will upgrade the super portable for you for free before we ship it to you, so you don't have to put that in freewheeling out. So if you're watching videos from other companies that are showcasing this, they're going to point out that you cannot roll that. It does make it a pain, because then what they're going to do is they're going to slide it. But we came out with the solution, just like we came out with the kickstand for the carry-on and the push button. We always change things up to make life better for you. So we're Mobility Solutions, located in West Columbia, South Carolina. We can ship anywhere in the 48 states. Contact us if you're somewhere else. We can see what it costs to ship, but just call us if you're looking for a mobility device, lift share, whatever it is, at 803-926-2224. And guys, we will show you what we made very soon. So like and subscribe to our channel for more stuff to come, because we're always trying to fix an issue. There was a major issue with this scooter because you couldn't roll it. We have it solved. We'd love to help you out. Again, 803-926-2224. Have a blessed day. What was one of the problems with it?
It didn't roll. You can pick it up and roll it like you do the carry-on.
So you could put it in free wheel. Was it still, I mean, that's another step, but it didn't roll smooth.
Correct.
So with us adding what we did to it to allow it to roll when it's like the carry-on, is it better?
It's a lot better. It's nice and smooth. With the carry-on, you can leave the unit engaged and roll it. With the super portable, you could not. You had to disengage the motors just one more